Hi guys, sorry for the long delay on making videos. So I just brought myself up here to Abu Dhabi. So I'm just planning to make few more practical videos on CCNA or networking. Mostly it's not going to be particularly on CCNA. It's regarding the basic understanding of networking skills which I expect from my juniors or new technicians and all. So be ready, we'll just have some fun on the new sessions. I have noticed few lack of knowledge on practicals from my colleagues and new techies who already have completed their CCNA, CCNP, but still, for example, let's say I faced a guy who already have done his CCNA with good marks and all, but when I show him a switch stack and when I ask like how it functions, do you know anything about it? But he has no knowledge on that one because he hasn't seen a real switch stack, how it works and how the cables are connected, or fiber stacking is there, or how it functions. Like switch stack means how the IP is assigned for. It's like the switch orders, everything. There are many things related to this. These things you don't learn through a lab packet tracer simulation even. It's waste of time to make such a big lab on packet tracer and to point out this small skill. Okay, so these things like which I found with my colleagues, like small things, but in practical environment when you work in a company, these are essential for a technician. We expect these things from them. So these kind of information I'm going to share in my next playlist. So hope you guys enjoy it. So this upcoming playlist is not going to contain not only my contents. I'm just going to point you out where you should look at it, where you should look to get the knowledge. For example, let's say you have a CCNA or CCNP. Still, if you don't know how to raise a tag case, and most of you don't know what is a tag case. So these kind of things we are using job. Okay. So we don't want to question these things. We won't question these things on the interview. You might pass the interview, but when you got the job afterwards, we are going to test these things. When you have an issue, when we ask you to raise a tag case, if you say you don't know that one, then it's going to be reduce your reputation. So just have some look at this, and I will point out, I will also create some labs and I will point you where to look at these upcoming skill sets and where you need to get this knowledge, and I will point it out. Okay. As I said, it's going to be experience-wise playlist, so you can't expect me to go in a certain order, because in my previous playlist CCNA I just have arranged an order for you to understand easily. Like you just need some basics, then you go through routing, then you go through access lists, likewise you will go. But here in practical skills I can't find an order actually. Like we can just, let's say today I'm teaching you about switch stacking, tomorrow I might teach you about tag case, then about RJ45 cable connections or fiber cables. There's a lot more things out there. So I just wanted to tell you that it won't be in a certain order, but it's going to be like, let's say after you join with the CCNA in a company 1.5 years, what are the things you might face? Those kind of skills is going to be coming in the playlist. So hope you enjoy it. So first things first, before you begin, you need to know about the connectors, networking cables, the connection types, straight through crossover cable types. In my previous CCNA playlist, I have already done those things, but I didn't show you how the real connectivity should be like and all. Okay, I just showed the theoretical things. So in this video I'm not going to connect a cable, and I'm not going to show you that one, but I can show you where you need to look at each cable connection, what you need to do. It's going to be like a guidance video, like how I guide my new joinees, how I wanted them to learn by their own exposures, by searching, googling, whatever they do, but they don't know what to do, where to search, what are things required. So these kind of things, I'm just asking them to follow the certain areas to develop their own skills. So let's see, I will show you.